In this video you will learn how to access Punditas AI's filter feature for help documents in Product 360. The Product 360 module within the Punditas AI ecosystem is your ultimate hub for staying updated on the latest developments and innovations across applications like Creo, Windchill, SolidWorks, and more. In this comprehensive knowledge hub, you'll find everything you need to stay ahead of the curve. Punditas AI's Product 360 module provides detailed insights into the latest enhancements, new features, capabilities, and usage tips for enterprise products across CAD, PLM, IoT, augmented reality and virtual reality. These include PTC Creo Parametric, Windchill, ThingWorx, Onshape, SolidWorks, and more. Simply select a product from the Select Product drop-down to explore its latest features and enhancements. Let's check out the latest enhancements for PTC Creo Parametric. Product 360 is updated with every major release of an enterprise product, such as PTC Creo Parametric. Punditas AI's Product 360 includes enhancement data for both past releases and the latest ones. Simply select the desired release from the Select Release drop-down. Let's choose PTC Creo Parametric 11. Each major release includes its own date codes, all neatly organized in Product 360. Select your desired date code relevant to the release from the Select Date Code drop-down. Let's choose PTC Creo Parametric 11 Major Release. Ready to explore latest enhancements related to PTC Creo 11 Major Release and revolutionize your workflow? Click on the Go button. Experience the power of Punditas AI's Detailed View feature, offering in-depth information on each product enhancement for products like PTC Creo, Windchill, etc. Gain insights through concise topic summaries, module categorizations, detailed descriptions, related notes and more, empowering you to make informed decisions. Click on the Detailed View button to explore all 152 enhancements available for PTC Creo Parametric 11 Major Release. The Product 360 Detailed View in Punditas AI features 5 interconnected tabs, with the Enhancements tab at its core. This tab highlights key upgrades, optimizations, and new functionalities within a product. Serving as the foundation, it connects seamlessly with other tabs to provide a comprehensive understanding of the product's features and improvements. To view detailed information about an enhancement, click on the entire row or the green plus button to expand its details. Punditas AI provides a concise summary for each enhancement, highlighting key points and changes. For example, in PTC Creo Parametric, the Multi-Body Support in Shrinkwrap feature topic summary offers a quick overview of the main updates and improvements, making it easy to understand the enhancement. Punditas AI uses a robust collection system to gather help documents from official sources, such as PTC Help Center, eSupport Portal, etc. For PTC Creo Parametric, this ensures users access up-to-date and accurate information. Beyond aggregation, Punditas AI validates the authenticity and reliability of the content to guarantee dependable resources. To access the Creo filter feature, simply expand or open the side navigation bar by clicking the arrow button or click on the filter button. Here is the left pane with all the filter options: filter by search type, filter by module, filter by published date, and filter by relevance. Let's explore each filter type one by one. First, let's talk about filter by search type. Users can filter help documents by search type using options such as any of the words, all the words, or exact phrase, based on the selected enhancement within the module. Any of the words means at least one word from the summary of the selected enhancement or the module name should be present in the help documents. All the words means all the words from the summary of the selected enhancement and the module name must be present in the help documents. Exact phrase means the summary of the selected enhancement under the module name must match exactly with the content of the help documents. Here is an example of the filter by exact phrase. 805 help documents match the exact phrase. Here is an example of the filter where the summary, Multi-Body Support Shrinkwrap feature, exactly matches the title of the help document. Now, let's explore the second filter type, filter by module. Users can filter help documents by module within the selected enhancement under the module. For example, if we select the module, Assembly Design, we have 675 help documents available for the Assembly Design module. Now, let's explore the last filter type, filter by published date and filter by relevance. Users can filter the help documents either by published date or by relevance. With the filter by relevance, we can view the most relevant help documents. Here is an example of a help document that is relevant to the summary, multi-body support in shrink-wrap feature. Punditas AI revolutionizes the search for Creo Help documents with module-wise categorization and an intuitive filter feature. Save time, enhance productivity, and seamlessly access module-specific information to integrate knowledge into your workflows effortlessly. Punditas AI revolutionizes the search for Creo Help documents with module-wise categorization and an intuitive filter feature. Save time, enhance productivity, and seamlessly access module-specific information to integrate knowledge into your workflows effortlessly. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.